Do you need to learn Maplesoft's Maple? Do you need a refresher on how to use Maple? Learning Maple is a video series to help you maximize your productivity using Maple while minimizing the amount of coding you need to learn. It is terse, 8 to 12 minute videos. The steps are shown as if you were to type them in. It goes over the fundamentals using worksheets, 2D inputs, and palettes. It helps you solve symbolic and numerical problems, and includes plotting and documentation generation. To get the most out of the series, run the playlist Fundamentals and Important Procedures. Each video is labeled in the order in which they should be watched. For mathematics beyond algebra, there's mathematics for undergraduates. Complex numbers, vectors, statistics, curve fitting, and single variable calculus. If you need to go beyond that, linear algebra, ordinary differential equations, partial differential equations, and more. I'm Scott Gould. I'm a professor of physics. I've been teaching how to use computational techniques in STEM courses for over 3 decades. I've been coding for 5. I've tried many different systems: Python, MATLAB, Java, Mathematica. For undergraduate level mathematics and STEM, I found Maple to be the most efficient. Maximizes your productivity while minimizing the amount of coding. Now I'm uploading all my experiences through this video series.